Lisa CONGDON's flowers. This is the artist Lisa CONGDON. Lisa CONGDON is an illustrator, fine artist, and writer based in Portland, Oregon. CONGDON's story as an illustrator is unique because she never planned to be an artist or call herself creative. She worked as a public school teacher and for a nonprofit for 15 years before deciding to take art classes and eventually launching a successful second career as an illustrator. She gathers inspiration for her artwork from folk art, modern art, textiles, and vintage imagery. Let's take a look at some of her artwork. It's very colorful and usually involves some type of flower or line design. Now let's go ahead and get started. The materials that you'll need a large 12 by 18 green piece of paper, some colored construction paper in different colors. I would say use maybe 3 or 4 different colors for your flowers. You'll need different size circle tracers, a pencil, black and white oil pastels, or you can use construction paper crayons, that's fine too, scissors, and glue. On one of your colored pieces of construction paper, you're going to trace various sizes of circles. Now, this is not the green paper, that is our background paper, so please don't trace circles on that. But the circles that you're going to be tracing are the flowers that we're going to add to the green paper. Do you see that little picture in the corner of the green paper with the circles on it? We have to make a variety of circles to glue all over that paper. Notice how none of the circles are overlapping. So right now you're going to make as many different size circles as you possibly can. When you're done, you're going to cut out all of those circles. Next, using your green paper, you're going to arrange these on top of the paper. And it's okay if some of them are hanging off the edge. But go ahead and start gluing down your circles when you like how they look. Please keep them separate from each other. If you have any circles that are hanging off the edge, please trim off the excess as shown in the picture. Next, you're going to use your black and white oil pastels or construction paper crayons, and you're going to add line details. Avoid using white on any light colors or black on any dark colors to help enhance the contrast. Start in the middle of each flower and make a center of dots. Add lines that travel from the center to the outside of the flower. It kind of reminds you of a clock. The circles will have radial balance, meaning the design extends out from the center of the circle, much like a clock does, or even a bicycle wheel. Now you're going to add stems extending to the bottom of the paper for each flower. Some stems may go behind other flowers in order to reach the bottom of the paper. Just don't draw the stem through a flower. Skip over it and continue on the other side. Use white oil pastels to add leaves to some of the flowers to fill in some of the negative spaces around those flowers. Look at the picture. Where there was plain green paper, they added some leaves and lines inside those leaves. You can also add leaves extending off the page in areas that look a little bare, even if there isn't a flower there. Here's an idea sheet for some of the flowers. Notice how the tulips look like they have 2 eyeballs at the top. Go ahead and decorate all of your flowers and the negative spaces in between. Bup, bup, ba-dup, bup. Clean up, Don't forget to put this on Artsonia for week 29.